What is up, YouTube? This is He Got Kicks. I hope y'all are having a great day today. Before I get into the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell that we get the notifications every time I drop one of these bangers for you guys. We're on the race to 20K by the end of 2019. So go ahead and hit that like button, hit the share button, hit everything for me. That way we can go ahead and hit this goal. It doesn't take that long to subscribe, just 2 seconds just to click the button. I don't even, if you click the bell, great. I'd love it. If not, hey, it is what it is, but I would love if you just go ahead and subscribe, because of course, like, as I'm looking at the analytics, I think it says like 78% of y'all are not subscribed that are watching, so it doesn't take long. But today I'm going to do a short video, or I don't know how long it's going to take to get this stuff off, but I've had some people asking about whenever I did my How to Lace Jordan 1 video, I had some people DM me and everything on how to get like the glitter and stuff that are on the ones that happens whenever, I guess, like, you leave them in like the box, like it's all here and everything, on how I can get it off, because like right here is like where the majority of it is, right here on that one, and on this one it's kind of on the side panels and everything. So I'm gonna try to get that off, and of course, yeah, right here it's actually quite a bit. I can see, I don't know really what it comes from. I think it just comes from being in the box and being preserved in the box. But I am going to use Reshoevn-Ator wipes. Of course, this is going to be the first time, really showing you all how this stuff works and everything. So that way, after this happens, whenever it takes all this stuff off, use my discount code, that way you can get some wipes yourself and everything. And if this just happens, like clean your sneakers or whatever you want to do with it, this will help you out. But go ahead and take this off, because I don't like all the, which that tells me I need to go to containers soon, because that's the last thing that I need, is to start getting all kind of, and have to start using all these wipes all the time. So let's get it. So as you'll see, it's already taking a lot of it off. Just kind of go around the shoe a little bit already, getting the gloss back. And of course, I always let it dry, and then I will take like a paper towel, go over it, get the excess off. Yeah, right now it just seems like it's happening right here a lot on the side panels. I don't, like I said, I think it's from the box and everything, but it could be from the paper too. I've had some people say that they think it's the paper, but I think it's the box. But it is not, like the Jordan 1 boxes, you can't really just like get rid of those. So I have to figure out something to do with that. I'll probably just put them in containers, and of course I'll just save the box. But yep, blowing it, let that dry off a little bit. Go to this one, the glitter. Here it is. Again, right here on the side panels and on the toe box. Some of that off. I really don't want it to be there, especially if I'm gonna wear these. I think this is what I'm gonna wear to SneakerCon Atlanta. I do not want to have glitter all over the sneaker. That is not what I want. And it's on the lace too. Wow, this is right here is on the swoosh and some of the side panels. Boom, boom. This one actually had quite a bit. As you can see right now, after I let it dry and everything. But right now all of the glitter is gone, which tells me I'm gonna have to keep these out of this box, because like I said, for some reason it got quite a bit of glitter. Let it dry a little bit, still got that gloss back on it, but boom, as it starts to dry, you can see glitter's gone, gloss is back on the leather, and boom, we are back in business. So like I said, was going to do a really short video. There isn't any more glitter really on the cuff or the ankle cuff or nothing like that. So looks like all gone. There was some glitter here on the sides. As y'all can see, got the gloss back on it. Back to normal. Let me pull the other one. This one's dry again. No more glitter. Got the gloss black on the leather. Rejuvenator does its job. Once again, all the glitter is gone. Now I think I'm gonna lace these up on this side and just lay it on top of the box and just not put it back in the box. I don't want to have to do this again, but all the glitter is gone, especially as you can see on this one where it was gone. So there you go. That's how you remove the glitter. Just take some Rejuvenator wipes and just wipe it right off. It isn't that hard. Just do that. It takes just a few minutes, as you all seen, and because nobody really wants to have glitter all over their sneakers. So hey, take it from me, Rejuvenator is the best. Go ahead and get you some Rejuvenator. Like I said, my discount code will be in the description box below. Just click on it, automatically applies it. Love you guys. Like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell that you get the notifications. Love you all. See you guys next time. Peace.